You better back.
Shut my door up.
Don't tell me what.
Shut my door.
Do. I run this
Bitch,
show.
you better get out of my face. My children are in the car.
Get out of the car.
I can't. This is a standard with no e-brake.
That is what I'm here for.
I've got it all on video. There was no verbal disturbance.
Well, that's what I'm here for. I don't know because I've been talking to you since I got here, correct?
Okay,
Correct?
Am I being accused of a crime?
Sir, I need to figure out what's going on. I need to identify who you are and whoever.
Let me ask you,
Just leave.
because you know this will be a lawsuit if you violate my rights.
Just leave, please.
After I get done filming, I will leave.
Just leave.
After I get done filming.
What happens when police officers don't understand the very laws they swore to uphold? In today's video, we take a look at multiple jaw-dropping encounters where citizens stood their ground against female officers and others who tried to twist the law, abuse their authority, and demand ID without cause. From traffic stops gone sideways to illegal demands on public property, this audit breaks down exactly how and when to say no legally and confidently. Get ready, because these public servants just got a lesson in the Constitution. Let's get into it.
You better back.
Shut my door up.
Don't tell me what.
Shut my door.
Do. I run this
Bitch,
show.
you better get out of my face.
Get
My
out of the
children
car.
are in the car.
Get out of the car.
I can't. This is a standard with no e-brake.
Well, you're
I ain't doing anything wrong. What the
Get
is
out of
this?
the car.
You will not take my phone. This is a normal traffic violation, and you are in denial of rights under the color of law.
Put your finger in my.
I am buckled. I am no threat to you. You will back the up. Get your superintendent now. This is denial of rights under the color of law. My vehicle will drive off.
You're going to get out
Put
of
the
the car.
emergency brake on.
Ma'am, you will be. Get
Ma'am,
your lieutenant. Right now.
brake on.
The emergency brake don't
Stop
work.
screaming.
I said that 5 times.
Look at me.
Get your lieutenant now.
We don't have a
Tell us what
lieutenant
to
out.
do.
My kids are in this car. There's no e-brake on it.
Quit acting like an idiot with them.
I'm not, and I am recording this entire interaction.
We are too.
I went and got my children f***ing McDonald's.
Okay.
Okay.
Why are you screaming at us?
She's screaming at me. She came up nasty as hell.
Okay. I said, did you not see the lights? Is what I said.
And I pulled
And
into
I have a
here.
body camera. You went
Good
in
for
here
you.
pretty recklessly with children in the car. You went
I am
in
not
pretty
reckless as
recklessly.
hell. No,
It was pretty
ma'am.
recklessly.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
it
And
was.
this is a
Yes,
normal
ma'am, it
traffic
was.
stop. You are snotty, girl.
Are
This is a normal traffic
You have
stop.
driver's license?
You are all.
I can do.
Yes.
you out of Ohio?
Yes.
Have you
Yes.
provided your driver's license?
I provided my
Did you
social,
write her?
absolutely. I have
Somebody?
registration. This
Okay.
is a normal traffic stop, and you are in violation, denial of rights under the color of law, in which I will prosecute and your agency.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll see
ma'am,
you.
I will. Don't think my family ain't lawyers.
Stop cussing, please.
No, ma'am. No,
I'm
sir.
not a man.
I am not. You all are out of control. Absolutely out of control. This is a normal traffic stop. Please get my stuff. Write me my ticket for my false
Will
insurance.
you shut up? Tell me what to quit doing, all right? Because I'm getting pissed off. You don't want me to get pissed
My
off, all right? So
children
I
are-
need your
my
name, and I need
children
your
are
date of
fine.
birth, and I need it right now.
Morgan Branch, 11/9/1999.
What's your
Please
middle
shut my
initial?
door. Paige. Shut my door.
Have
You
you
have
been
woken
drinking
up
or
my
smoking or
children.
anything like that?
No.
What's your date of birth again, ma'am?
11/9/1999. Shit, girl, you told me my license.
Fuck yeah. I was right here for the whole thing.
I was not reaching fast. She asked for my license, so I went right here in my glove box and got my license and registration. Well, my license ain't on me, but
Yeah, we don't want to scream. We don't want to cause a scene.
oh, they're gonna be. I don't want my
because
children
you're
to
making
trust.
them.
No,
Yeah.
You'll teach them to be a sovereign citizen because you know the color of law, like you think
absolutely,
you do.
absolutely.
And you don't know jack shit about nothing.
I know plenty.
You wouldn't know shit from China.
I know a bunch.
Trooper Mitchell will be up with you shortly, okay? I expect to be not hear any
Who
screaming.
the hell's Mitchell? Is that the blonde
That's
bitch?
the female trooper, okay?
Can you please, I request one of you to hand me my ticket?
Sure, I'll hand it to you.
Okay, I'll take you. Thank you. I do not want any more interactions with that woman.
I don't think any of us want another interaction with you, to be honest with you.
Well, I'm doing pretty good, cooperating well with you. You're calm, we're communicating pretty effectively.
Yeah, there's no need for screaming. I hate screaming. I hate hollering. There's no need for that.
We're communicating.
It's childish, to be honest with you.
I don't know what the hell her problem was.
I'm not talking about her.
Well, I know you ain't talking about me.
I am.
Well, you got opinions are assholes and everybody's got one.
Yep. Some have bigger assholes than others, too.
Mm-hmm.
Some have whole asses.
Yeah. How many cars you got on me right now? 5?
Stop cussing.
It's freedom of speech. I can just cuss freely. I'm not menacing or cussing at you.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
I don't like cussing.
I'm sorry. You're offended. You're a police officer. I hope you'd have much greater shoulders on than that. For me cussing freely. Why did you think I was West Virginia?
I thought that's where you was from.
How's it going, sir? Sir, can I talk to you over here? Can we just talk over here?
What's wrong with talking to me here?
I just want to talk to you in front of my car where we're not in front of the entrance and we can just have a little peaceful conversation. That's all I want. All right? Go ahead and walk.
I prefer you in front of me.
No, I'm not going to walk in front of you, sir. That's officer safety reasons. We can walk that way. Walk towards my car.
He's making me walk backwards, guys.
Sir, I'm not making you walk backwards. You're walking backwards yourself.
Well, I gotta keep you on camera, so
Okay? You can keep me on camera. I just want to talk to you. That's all I want to do.
I don't appreciate being on the camera without my permission. That's against
How
the law.
far am I being
No,
detained?
no. We're going to...
Am I being detained?
Sir, you're being detained right now just for trying to figure out what's going on here. That's all I'm trying to do. Is we got called? There's a
For
verbal.
what?
There's a verbal disturbance here.
Can you back up just a little bit?
No,
6
sir.
feet?
We're gonna walk back here.
6 feet, please.
We're gonna walk back in front of my car. In front of my car.
So I'm being detained.
You are being detained, yes,
For
sir.
what crime?
There is a verbal disturbance here. That's all I need to investigate. All right.
Verbal disturbance?
Yes, sir. I need your driver's license or an ID card.
What's gonna happen to me if I don't give you my document?
I have to know who you are so I can trespass you if required.
So
That's all I need to know.
Verbal disturbance is a crime.
Sir,
So I'm being accused of a crime.
You are not being accused of a crime. That's what
Then
I'm
why
trying
am I
to
being
explain.
detained?
Because there was a verbal disturbance. All right, we're not going to go
There's
down this
no
route.
verbal
We're not
disturbance.
going to go down this route. All right,
Who's the
we're just
victim?
going to have a
What
conversation.
route are we not going to go down?
Gosh, sir, can you just listen
Are
to me?
you becoming frustrated?
Are you becoming frustrated?
No, sir. I just want
Do
to know
you really
my
want
rights.
to go down this route? That's what I'm
I
trying
would
to
just like
find.
to know what my rights are in this situation.
Just like all your rights everywhere else. You're in America. You have all your
You
rights.
have a name and badge number?
It's right here. My name's right
Your
there.
name is right here?
Right there. It's on.
Okay,
You can put it on camera. I don't care, sir.
Let us
I
show
need to
that
know
his,
who.
his camera. Is your camera activated right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure it's on.
It's been on this entire time,
It's
sir.
covering your name.
You can have my card. I do not
This is
care, sir.
R-
I need to. M30.
Say again?
Yes, sir. M30. All right. I just need to know who you are so that I can figure all this out. Then we can go about our merry way. That's all I need to figure out.
Okay, who has complained against me?
Multiple people, along with the post office. So
Do you have their names?
I don't, because I'm not sitting in front of my computer. I need to know your name. What is your name?
Why do you need to know my name?
So, if I have to trespass you, I need to know who I'm trespassing. It's kind of hard to trespass an unknown person, isn't it?
So I'm being detained right
Who
now.
are you?
I'm being detained right now for filming? Because it's
You-
all on, so there was no
no.
verbal disturbance.
That's what I'm getting told. There was a verbal disturbance,
Okay, well,
citizen
so I got it
dispute.
all
That
on
is what I'm
video.
here for.
I've got it all on video. There was no verbal disturbance.
Well,
I was
that's
just
what I'm
filming.
here for. I don't know, because I've been talking to you since I got here, correct?
Okay,
Correct?
Am I being accused of a crime?
Sir, I need to figure out what's going on. I
Why-
need to identify who you are and who everybody else is involved in this whole thing.
I don't
Can you
understand
just-
why you need to know who I am to decide whether there was a crime being committed.
Sir, what's your name?
Can you just de-escalate a little bit?
I am de-escalating. I am
It looks
not
like you're
riled
getting
up.
very frustrated.
Well, tell me who you are.
Well, I don't want to give you up my Fourth Amendment rights.
You're not
voluntarily.
giving up your Fourth Amendment
Unless
rights.
you're going to threaten me with arrest, I'm not going to volunteer any information to you.
Sir, who are you?
Again, unless you threaten me with arrest, I'm not going to identify.
What is your name?
Again, what
I'm
will happen
asking
to me if I do not give you my identity?
If there's a crime, then I'm going to charge you with multiple crimes.
If there's a crime,
If there was a crime that was committed, or if you're trespassing, or anything like that, then I'm going to charge you with obstruction.
Okay. Well, until you tell...
and
Until you
delaying
tell me-
and interfering with my investigation. That is what I'm going to charge you with.
Listen.
It's just like if you were driving down the roadway and you do not provide a driver's license or ID card to prove who you are.
Can we get a supervisor here, please?
I have 2 other deputies here.
Okay.
I don't need
I
a
need to talk to a
supervisor.
supervisor.
Why do you need to talk to a
Because I
supervisor?
don't believe you know the law.
Okay.
You're not respecting my constitutional rights.
I am here to do a job, right? And I got called here lawfully and told that there was a citizen dispute and a verbal disturbance.
And I told you that I don't...
And I am not here to argue with you about the verbal disturbance. I need to know who's identified on what crimes and what stuff so I can investigate what's going on.
Okay, for the
And then
third time,
I
I
am
would like to talk to a supervisor, please. Please.
2334, 2336.
Kootenai County Sheriff, guys.
Can you come over to this location? What's your first name?
You can call me good citizen.
I'm not going to call you a good citizen. I want to talk to you like a human being. I want to know your name.
Sir
That way
is
I can
fine.
talk to you.
Sir is fine.
19, can you go ask what's going on? And find out what they want done.
3 cars out here for a guy with a camera. 3 squad cars.
It could be all resolved very
are you gonna
quickly,
get a
sir.
supervisor here, sir?
I already called my supervisor.
Thank you.
Since you're not going to give up your name or anything like that, you are delaying my investigation, just so you're aware. I just want you to be aware. That's all I want.
Well, I just want you to be aware that I'm not going to give you my ID unless you threaten to arrest me. I don't
Why
want to
would
go
I
to jail.
threaten to arrest you? I'm not going to threaten to arrest you. I'm just going to arrest you if I have a crime or something. You realize that, right? I'm not going to threaten to
I want
arrest
to
you.
give you my ID if you're going to arrest me. If you can stop me from being arrested, if giving you my ID stops me from going to jail, then I'm going to give you my ID.
Well, that'd be nice.
Okay? But if I don't have to give you my ID, I don't want to give you my ID.
What are you doing, man?
Filming,
Like what, this? That's not too pretty. It's kind of a snowy day.
analytics, filming, COVID-19.
You have anything better to do
You
today?
guys don't have to wear masks.
I'm like 6 feet away from you.
Well, he come right up on me. I asked him to step away. He wouldn't do it. He started getting very agitated.
I know the guy for years. He doesn't get agitated.
Well, I got it on film, bud.
Oh, man. Bet you do.
Yeah. What's your name and badge number? You want to identify?
We don't have bad numbers.
You're the public servant here. You're the one supposed to identify, not the public.
Well,
You're not our
if
master. You're not our master.
I'm not saying I'm your
Then
master.
stop acting like it. Stop.
Why are you going down this route? What is
What
behind
route are
all
you
this?
talking?
Like,
Please-
why are you trying to do this? What is your purpose right now?
Well, right now I'm just standing up for my Fourth Amendment rights, and you don't seem to like that. It irritates you.
It doesn't irritate me.
Sure it does.
I love the Constitution.
You don't have a right to know who I am. If I haven't broken the law, you have no authority over me. You've illegally detained me now for about 10 minutes.
Okay. If you would like to leave, you can leave.
Well, you just told me I was detained.
Yeah, well, this crime was
Well, if I'm
occurring,
free to
but
leave,
if you're
I'm free
gonna
to stay.
leave, then
If I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay.
then we're not gonna go back there.
Why are you standing in front of me? You
We're
just said I
not
was
gonna
free
go
to
back
leave.
there because I
I'm
gotta
going
figure out
that
what's
way.
going on back there. But if you're gonna walk down the road, I don't care.
If I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay. Am I detained? Am I detained?
Let me figure out what's
See
going
how he
on
won't
over
tell
here.
me whether I'm detained or not? This is a tyrant right here.
Okay,
He will not tell me whether I'm being detained.
you want to
because
go
he's a
down
tyrant.
this? I am.
This is the Kootenai County Sheriff's
Okay.
Department, guys. Am I detained?
If you're gonna walk
for the
away,
fifth
if you're
time.
gonna walk away, then go ahead. But if you're not gonna walk away, if you're gonna stay here, then I need to figure out what they want to do if they
Well,
want
this
to trespass.
This is public property. You can ask me to leave, but you can't trust me from public property. Did you take an oath to the Constitution?
Okay. All right.
Man, it's cold. Hey, man, all ask you to is just not, maybe not stick.
You can ask all you want,
Try
bud.
to keep your 6 feet from people.
What's your name and badge number?
But you can go stand there all you want, video.
And what's your name and badge number?
All right?
What's your name and badge number?
We don't have
That's all I know. That's all I need to know, sir. That's all it was.
They won't identify. They come up here like a tyrant. The walk of shame. The walk of shame. That's what you're doing right now. A tyrant walk of shame.
Good day, sir.
Don't ever come up on me like that again, or I will sue you.
Okay.
You hear me?
Okay.
I'm the public. You're the servant.
Okay. Have a good day.
Read
sir.
your Constitution.
I just want you to know. Have a good day.
Yeah, now it is. What if I didn't have the camera?
This is for safety reasons only, okay? And I would appreciate it you not taking pictures of the police equipment, okay?
First Amendment right, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, it is.
No, sir. I'm asking you. Okay.
I'm listening to you. I hear you.
May I see your ID?
I'm not gonna give you any ID, sir.
So,
I'm not doing a crime.
Okay, so I'm asking you not to take a picture of the police equipment.
That's a request, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, and I'm denying the request,
Okay.
sir.
So now I'm going to ask you to leave.
But I didn't break any law,
I'm
sir.
asking you to leave.
You're trespassing me from public property?
I'm asking you to leave. If
Are you trespassing me from public property? Can I hear you say it? Let me hear you say it.
If you're not going to respect the fact that I'm asking you not to take a picture of the equipment, of the police equipment, and I'm the chief of police.
Okay.
If you're
Then you
not
should
gonna-
know. Then you should know this law.
Okay, but
You should know this law.
But then you should know not
It's
to
the
be taking
first.
pictures.
It's the First Amendment right. I've been doing it for a year.
Okay.
I've been doing it for a
So
year,
I'm asking you not to take a picture of the equipment.
and I am denying it.
Okay, then now you're trespassing.
Okay. Are you asking me to leave public property?
I'm asking you to leave.
You're asking me to leave
I'm
public
asking you to
property?
leave.
But for what reason?
I'm asking you because you're not respecting what I'm asking you to do. I'm asking
But
you not to.
you asking me. You're not giving me a lawful order. It's not a lawful order. You cannot tell me a law that tells me that I cannot film your cars.
Well, for what reason are you filming the cars?
For public interest.
What public interest?
I record all police vehicles and I report it back on social media.
Because of what reason?
Because the public needs to know.
What they need to know for?
Like you can't drive this vehicle over here. Like this vehicle right here, you cannot drive this vehicle right here until this windshield gets fixed. Do you see the crack in this windshield over here? Do you see the crack in that windshield? You're not going to say nothing? I know one thing, if I see this vehicle out there, I'm going to definitely write down the license plate and report it.
Okay. I'm asking you right now.
Sir, I am understanding what you're saying, but it's not a lawful order.
I'm asking you to leave.
It's not a lawful order, though.
I'm asking you to leave.
Okay, I will leave. As soon as I'm done, I will leave.
No, sir. And I'm going to. Okay, I know what you do. Do what you do.
If you trespass me from public property, sir, that's a lawsuit. You don't want a lawsuit, right?
Sir, I'm asking you.
You don't want a lawsuit.
What?
Right?
Listen.
This is public property, am I right?
You offending police equipment.
Uh-huh.
You offend me. My name is Thomas Gibson, okay?
Thomas
I'm the police
Gibson.
chief.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Okay. I'm asking you to leave because you're filming police vehicles.
Am I damaging the vehicles?
Sir, what reason are you filming these?
I just told you.
For public, because...
For public interest, yes, absolutely. I do stories on police cars all over Oklahoma.
I never heard of you. Never heard of you. So I'm asking you to leave now.
Well,
I'm asking you to leave now.
You ain't got to get all loud, bro.
I'm asking you to leave.
Come on, man. Are you skin folk or are you kin folk or skin folk? Which one are you?
Hey, man, I'm asking you to
Let
leave.
me ask you, are you skin folk or kin folk?
Listen,
just ask me to answer that. Answer that and I'll leave. Answer that question, I'll leave.
Just leave, please. I'm asking you to leave.
Okay.
Now, I'm asking you not to film any more cars. Just leave.
I'm going to continue to film cars, sir, but I will leave.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too. But you know you're wrong. And I want you to look this up. I want you to look this up.
Listen.
Because this is public property. I have all the right to be here.
You have no right to film.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Well, what you going to do about it? Let me put it that way. Let me put it that way.
Just leave, please.
Let me ask you.
Just leave.
Because you know this will be a lawsuit if you violate my rights.
Just leave, please.
After I get done filming, I will leave.
Just leave.
After I get done filming.
You have no business filming people's tags or none of that. That is none of your concern.
I'm only filming police vehicles.
I don't believe that. That's not what I was told.
You saw somebody out here saying I was filming something? Is that what you're saying? We got an unmarked vehicle over here. Looks like it hasn't been in service in a minute. You see this damage right here? You see this damage right here? See that damage? It's an unmarked car. He's trying to trespass me from public property. Do you guys see this? Oh, no license plate, so it's not in service. I don't think I'm a smart ass. I know the law, sir. If you're going to talk junk, come talk junk to me. If you're going to talk junk, come talk junk to me. I'm not doing nothing illegal. I'm not doing anything illegal. And if you trespass me from this land, I will sue you. I'm just letting you know. No thin blue line flags on here. No thin blue lines flag, so that's pretty cool. All right. The vehicle looks like it's in pretty good condition. I don't see any violations. They do have something up here in the windshield. What is that? Oh, okay, nothing much. Excuse me, sir.
Sir?
Yes, sir. I do this all over Oklahoma. Please don't violate my rights. I do not want to sue. I do not want to sue Forest Park. Or what is this? Yeah, Forest Park. I don't want to sue Forest Park. Forest Park. I just saw it on your shirt.
Well, you should have seen it on the cars.
I see it on the cars too, sir. But you got to understand, this is a First Amendment protected act. First Amendment protected. I didn't film any of those cars.
How do I not know that?
Well, you just got. No, you don't have cameras on your building. Oh, there you go. There you go. So, that sounds. You're supposed to investigate first. Excuse me, sir. Can I take a look at your fire trucks?
He's not the fire chief.
But are you a fire marshal or do you, but you work for the fire department?
Volunteer for the fire department.
Okay, is there somebody I can talk to see if I can get a chat? Okay.
The fire chief is not here.
Okay, the fire chief is not here.
So we just ask you to respect that.
I will.
You won't listen, will you?
Of course, as long as you don't violate my rights, we don't have a problem.
Okay.
I do not. Come on, man. I want to be kinfolk with you. No, but right now you acting like skinfolk. Don't act like skinfolk. Act like kinfolk. And respect the Constitution. This is the First Amendment Constitution.
See, that's what
protected activity.
Okay.
Now, if you want to keep going,
I just ask you just to respect what we asking you to do, just to leave. That's all
I will leave. I will leave. Well, I am done. There's no more vehicles over here. I am going to leave.
But then you've already said you leave. You've got all the vehicles.
Be nice. Be nice about it, and I will leave.
I ask you to leave.
I will leave. Okay.
Okay. I appreciate that.
Since I can't film the fire department, I will leave.
Thank you.
But just know this is a Constitution protected activity, and if you violate people's rights, they will sue you.
Sir,
you don't want people suing your city.
I've been in law.
You don't want people suing. Okay, so you should know about First Amendment.
Okay. We've already established that. I appreciate you.
All right.
Thank you.
I will leave. Thank you.
Name?
I'm not telling you.
See, there you go. But you want to film everything. But
No. Come on, let's talk. Let's talk. Let me school you. Let me school you. Come on.
Sir, just leave. Please.
I will leave, but you engage me. You got owned, sir. That is called the walk of shame, what you're doing right now. You are dismissed.
And there you have it. Another example of why knowing your rights isn't optional, it's essential. Whether it's a traffic stop, a public easement, or just standing with a camera, the First and Fourth Amendments are there to protect you from unlawful searches, intimidation, and ID demands without legal grounds. But when cops let their egos take the lead, it becomes clear who the real professionals are, and it's not always the one in uniform. Keep filming, keep standing up, and never let ignorance of the law become authority over your freedom. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay empowered.